Hey, what's up, you all? It's your girl Janelle again, and I am back with another video. And today's video, I'm really just showing you all my room, which I know you all seen it already pretty much in my last few videos, but this is me just breaking down in detail like where I got some of my things from that's in my room. So a lot of the things that I have in my room are from Amazon. I'll have my link down in the description so you can go ahead and check out these items or shop on there, you know, as you please or whatever. But I will have my link down below so that you guys can go ahead and purchase these items that you may like. So pretty much I think that I made my room as cozy as I can for the time being. It's not exactly up to where I want it to be, but it is getting there. I'll explain throughout the video, so let's just get into it. So I'm just gonna start here with this vase. It's really cute and slick. It's a matte white vase. This is on Amazon. Of course, you can get pampas grass off Amazon. Don't remember exactly where I got this from. I couldn't tell you, but they do have it on Amazon, and I can add that link so that you can purchase that as well. This gold tray with the mirror on the inside, also from Amazon. Gorgeous pillows, which I also have on my Amazon storefront. Rope material like pillows. This comforter set, which is from Bedsure. It comes with a fitted sheet, a flat sheet, a comforter, and I think it was 4 pillow cases, which is really nice. It's super comfortable, super soft. I love this. It's everything. I'm not gonna lie, like the comforter set is so doggone comfortable, and this is not me just selling you no product. Like, no, I cannot exaggerate enough. It's a really comfortable comforter set. Also, my bed frame I also got from Amazon. It was literally only like $200 something, but what made me get it was how rich it looks in general. I was like, you know what, that looks good, I'm gonna need that. So yeah, the bed is also from Amazon. My wallpaper also from Amazon. Very easy to install, not complicated at all. Then I have these really cute lamp that I got from Target, but they have these lamps also on Amazon, which I added to my Amazon storefront. So it's there. You can also get it there, as well as these nightstands. So let's go over here. Oh. So over here I have this really cute clock, which I have on my Amazon storefront. Yeah, super cute, super cute. And also I have this rug on my Amazon storefront as well. This bench I got from, so this bench I got from Ross, but I was trying to see if they had this available on Amazon as well, which they didn't. They had some that were similar to it, so I'm gonna go ahead and just link those as well, just because, you know, it's still the same vibe, but it's not exactly like this one. But this does have storage. I pretty much just put like my extra sheets and comforters and stuff like that inside of there. And then I have this gorgeous mirror that I got from Home Goods, but they also have this on Amazon, which I also added to my storefront. If it's not sold out, I'll have to double check my storefront, but I believe it's still available. I'll link it on the video if it's still available. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I'll go ahead and link these items for you in my description, so go ahead and check those out. If you aren't already, feel free to follow me on Instagram and on TikTok and Lemonade, which I also have an account for, which I also have my links here. So feel free to go ahead and check those out, because I post really cute things on there. Like, but anyways, go ahead and check me out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video showing you all where I got my items from. And yeah, let me know if you end up getting anything, because I feel like I picked out some really cute pieces or whatever. So yeah, so I'll catch you guys in my next video.
got me burning up in here. 2 black 5 in here. Stressing, killing here. I ain't sweating these women here. The essence is missing here, so I'm ready to disappear. Let's just go, my dear. 'Cause the way you put it on made me wanna take it off you. Got me so amazing. Oh, I don't wanna wait. Nah. I don't wanna wait. We upstairs for the champagne. You wait on creeping up. You know how to keep me up. No, it won't be easy, but I'll be here. Believe me, yes. She turning me up, and when I tipsy.
I can be the one, yeah, when the sky comes falling, even when the sun don't shine. I got faith in you and I, such a pretty little